The story of how we found the wagon back in 1997. We were in Reno, Nevada, for my wife's birthday. It was during the Hot August Nights car event, one of the biggest classic car shows in the western United States. While walking through the Peppermill Casino parking lot, packed with amazing vintage cars, we spotted a beautiful Woodie Wagon and immediately fell in love. Turns out, the owner was from San Diego, and we lived in Manhattan Beach, California. It felt like fate. The car was scheduled for auction the next day, so I called the seller and told him, "Meet me in Reno tomorrow morning. If the car runs, I'll buy it." He agreed. We met the next day. I took it for a spin around the parking lot. It ran really solid, so I bought it on the spot. A few days later, he delivered it to our home in Southern California. That was the beginning of what became a serious passion project. When we got it, the car was pretty rough. No windows or upholstery and tired wood. Over the next couple of years, we cleaned it up, added new windows, had the wood refinished by Doug Carr of San Pedro, California, a well-known woody specialist. We swapped the wheels, then we did some cosmetic upgrades. After retiring in 2000, I won Best in Show at a Lake Havasu, Arizona car event in 2001. The next day, we started tearing it apart for a semi-frame-off rebuild. We left the wood on the body per Doug Carr's advice. Took it out to break in the new ZZ4 350 engine with 400 horsepower on Highway 95 in Arizona with just the wood, drivetrain, and nothing else. Gave it too much gas and nearly spun it out. Tons of power. The original custom body and framework was done in the late 70s or early 80s by Stan Core, a master woodworker based in Bakersfield, California. He hand-built the frame and the wood body with great craftsmanship. The frame is about the only part on the engine that's 1929. Everything else is Model A 30, 31, 32 grille. Leaf hood sections. It's got fiberglass front fenders. Rear fender are truck fenders to widen the wheels and stance. The frame has all been blasted to metal. All powder coated sitting on coil over shocks. The wood is a combination of oak and birch. 12 coats of epiphanies. Varnish, which really doesn't take any refinishing. Simply wax on it once a year. And it looks great, so very low maintenance. In short, it started as a had-to-have-it moment at a car show, turned into a passion project, and evolved into a one-of-a-kind street rod that blends vintage beauty with serious muscle. Starts easy with turn of a key, handles great, and is very quick off the line, as well as top-end speed. Has won multiple awards and gets a lot of attention out on the road, as well as car shows and cruise nights. This is a turnkey street rod wagon that's fun to drive and needs nothing to own and enjoy right now. Can you believe it? I've owned and loved her for almost 25 years. Now it's someone else's turn to enjoy the ride.